Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to fix small taskbar Windows 11. So guys, if this ever happened to you, as you can see down below on me, I have a very small taskbar and I kinda don't like it. So to fix this issue, you could just simply go ahead and go to the start menu. And here on the start menu, you would just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon, which is the settings. Now, over here, guys, on the settings tab, you would just simply go ahead and go for the personalization on the left side over here. And right after that, you would just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here taskbar. So go ahead and select the taskbar over here on the personalization tab. Then here inside the taskbar, you would just simply go ahead and scroll down until you see over here, guys, taskbar behaviors. So click on this to expand it. Just simply scroll down, and now you will have here show us smaller taskbar buttons. So from here, you could just simply select never, and as you can see, it has now been fixed. Or you could go for when taskbar is full. So pretty much over here, you could change your taskbar behavior based on your own personal preferences, and pretty much you can turn it on and off over here, and you could just simply change your taskbar behavior. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.